oil candy made in a plastic cup. It melts in your mouth. In a saucepan, start by adding 200 milliliters of milk, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Let's mix all of this up really well with the heat still off. Once the starch is fully dissolved, we'll add 5 tablespoons of powdered milk. Let's get back to stirring. Next, we'll add 200 grams of sour cream and 395 grams of condensed milk. Now we're going to turn the heat on and stir non-stop until we reach the perfect consistency. As soon as it thickens, you can stop stirring. It'll be ready. We'll set it aside and keep it nearby. It's crucial to cover it with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming. Once it cools down a bit, we'll remove the plastic wrap. And on top, we're going to crumble a pack of oil biscuits. Once that's done, let's stir everything really well. Now let's take this cream mixture and add it to a plastic cup. I'm using a 200 milliliter one. All set, guys. Let's keep it aside. Now, let's make our ganache. Here I use 200 grams of sour cream and 200 grams of semi-sweet chocolate. And now, folks, here comes the special touch of a tablespoon of corn glucose. But if you don't have it, that's okay. Mix it all well. Now we just have to pour and divide our ganache into the cups. To decorate, I use some oil biscuits on top. After that, refrigerate until chilled. Then, just dig in. And look, this dessert looks amazing. Make it at home and everyone will love it. It's a super quick, easy, and delicious recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. That's another recipe from Pour in the Kitchen. A big hug, see you next time, and thanks for watching.